assistant Vito Polito, just rightly passing on his congratulations. He'll understand how difficult those conditions were for the riders out there today. Steve said those 26 laps, it felt like 26 months at one stage.
I've commentated on endurance races before that fell shorter than that.
Yeah, what was the race time? Almost 52 minutes. That takes a heck of a lot of concentration to be riding in those conditions, but not far shy of an hour. Top three then come to the podium ceremony. Great to see Keeper Racing up there again. Of course, they have had recent Moto3 success with Danny Kent, Domi Aegerter taking the plaudits after an outstanding race win here in really tricky conditions. Congratulations from the Keeper team. Constructor Trophy then going to Keeper Racing. They used to do it quite on a regular basis in Moto2, going back to the Stefan Bradl days when he won the World Championship in 2011. A very emotional Hafizh Syahrin now about to receive the third place trophy, the 23-year-old Malaysian from Selangor, a home hero back in his native Malaysia. It's his 73rd Moto2 appearance and only his second podium finish, his first in 5 years since the Pang in 2012. Second place, and you could argue the biggest second place of Tom Lutey's career after Franco Morbidelli crashed out of the race. Tom Lutey now extends his impressive podium record in the Moto2 World Championship to 45 podiums, 9 points he trails Morbidelli. And in the first ever, we're reliably informed, first ever Swiss 1-2 in Grand Prix racing history, the honour of being the first man on the podium goes to Dominique Aegerter, his first win since Sachsenring in 2014. It is Dominique Aegerter's 177th Grand Prix, quite appropriate as he's the number 77. His second win, only his 8th podium finish. Swiss joy on the podium, the first 1-2 for that nation in history.